there, and I know this lip is dramatic. Let's just not pay attention to it. I did Kakashi's inspired makeup. This is what I came up with. I tried looking on the internet for other girls who have done, or guys that have done Kakashi's makeup, and unfortunately I didn't see anyone with Kakashi's makeup that I would personally like, so I did it myself. And I put some little lightning streaks over here because his one like power, and then the line for his eye, and then I used the blue just to enhance the lightning bolts because there is like a lighter blue under them, but you can't really see it. And then I did gray for the eyes because he has light and dark gray hair, and then his shirt is green, so I did green for the lower lash line to, you know, show off his shirt as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy this makeup tutorial. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Hey guys, so I want to apologize for these images. I'm still learning about iMovie and I always have trouble getting them to just sync to the video correctly, but these are just images from Snapchat. But here we go in with the tutorial. So I'm using the same two things I always use in my tutorials, my lotion and my moisturizing serum. So I'm using the serum first, and then I'm just going to moisturize my skin and make sure that is all the way blended in, and going in with the lotion now, also on top of the serum, and blending it all the way in. And I'm going to start doing my brows now. So I love doing my brows. I used to not do my brows before, and then I started doing them a couple years ago and I fell in love. My brows might not be for everyone's cup of tea or liking, but this is how I do my brows. And so yeah, now I'm going in with the Urban Decay primer potion. And my brows, you guys can tell, are a little bit thick today. They were giving me some problems, but I just was like, you know what, let's go ahead and just get started with this tutorial. I was so excited to do it. I'm going in with a Dose of Colors Baked Browns and using that first shade. This is such a good base shade after your primer potion. And then I went in with this color and that bottom color right below it for the crease shade. And then this was the inner crease and outer V shade. So you see I'm going in with that first color I showed you. It was actually kind of lighter than I wanted it. So I went in with that darker color underneath of that one shadow I showed you. And then I went in with the inner crease and outer V gray. Gray is a very hard color to work with. I don't know if it's because my Tarte Cosmetics palette is so old, but this shade was just not wanting to blend very well. So I had to get off camera and do it for a little bit longer. But then I went in with the BH Cosmetics 121st edition palette and took these two lighter grays for the lid, because I did my eyes as Kakashi's hair color, because in some of his pictures you could see like a lighter silvery gray and then a dark gray, so that's where the gray colors came from. Then I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics HD concealer, and I'm just cutting the line to make the look sharper. And I love doing this all the time. And then I'll be going in with a wet beauty sponge and just blending that outwards and stuff like that. And then I usually go in off camera with a brush just to kind of clean up the edges a little bit better. I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Chubby Crown Pencil in Olive My Love, I believe. And I'm going in with this color on the lower lash line because Kakashi has like a dark green like shirt on, or like vest on, so I'm going in on my lower lash line and my waterline with this color. Then I'm going back in with my NYX HD concealer and concealing my under eyes, my brows, and just going in all together, guys. And then I'm going to be taking that wet sponge again and just blending that concealer out. Yeah, I forgot to do my makeup look the other day because I have been really busy with Adopt Me, and because I'm pet sitting someone's pets, because I'm trying to get the last of the danger eggs. If you guys are into Roblox or Adopt Me, you know what I'm talking about. But they already announced, well, they haven't announced it yet, but they've shown sneaks that a new egg might be coming. So yeah, I'm trying to hurry and get all of our pets and stuff like that. So I haven't really had time, but I'm trying to balance everything. So now I'm going in with mascara and curling those lashes. I love to curl my lashes. I decided not to go with eyeliner because I just feel like the gray is so dark and bold that we didn't really need any liquid eyeliner. And now I'm going in with the mascara and just curling those lashes with the mascara. I have the smallest little lashes ever, so that's why I still use like false lashes, because I feel like my actual lashes won't do anything. So now, before I do the other lashes on the other eye, I'm going in with the black eyeliner by Wet n Wild. So this is to make that black, well, his isn't black, but Kakashi has a scar on his one eye, so I'm drawing it with my liquid eyeliner, and it's not really perfect, so I didn't do it as perfect because Kakashi's line isn't perfect either. So I just did it how I thought it would look nice, and then I went in with the mascara and curled those other lashes. Like, I have been loving doing these, guys, because Mika and I are huge fans of Naruto, and I love the characters and stuff, so I've been loving doing this series. I want to do all the main characters of Naruto and then maybe move on to something else. So here I am just applying it to my lower lash line. Sorry about the pillow in the back, you guys. Also, that white stain on the pillow is actually, believe it or not, eyeshadow. My palettes fell out when I was looking for a palette that had gray eyeshadow in it, and I ended up having it on my finger and I smeared it on the pillow, so that's embarrassing. Don't mind that. But here I am applying my Dye Silk lashes and trying to get some of that glue off, and yeah, just trying to make sure my fingers don't stick to the lashes because I don't want it to pull off my lashes, like my false lashes. And then here I am applying it to the other eye, just making sure I get it really good. And then I'm going in with foundation, so I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You guys, I have been loving this foundation. I've missed it so much. It's definitely my go-to foundation. I feel like it just, if you have dry and delicate skin and foundation really kicks on your face, definitely use moisturizing serums and lotions before, but definitely get this dewy foundation by Maybelline. It's called Fit Me, and it works wonders. Like, I don't have any cakey spots, and it looks amazing, and it just complements my skin and everything in return. So it's everything you would love and more in a foundation, especially if you have dry cakey skin like myself. So I still wanted to add some color to my face, so I went in with the Wet n Wild Pinch Me pink blush and the Ofra Cosmetics Star Island highlight. I had a brain fart there. And I'm just going in with the brushes that I always use. You guys tell me what brushes I use. I really don't remember. They're all different kinds of brands, but I just go in with what I feel works best. And here I am applying that blush, and I didn't go in with concealer because, you know, Kakashi's a guy or whatever, but I still feel like I wanted some color to my skin, you know, because I felt just like foundation would just be plain. So I'm applying the blush all over, and I'm going back in, and yes, I do take off the extra excess to blend everything with the powder brush. Now I'm going in and making some lightning streaks. So there is a couple pictures of like Kakashi's One Power, and it has like lightning bolts. So I'm using the Wet n Wild My Little Twin Stars, like a light blue silvery eyeliner, and then I'm going in with this AOA liquid eyeliner that's blue. You can actually get it from shopmissa.com. No, not being paid or sponsored, but that's where I got it from. And yeah, it was giving me a hard time, but I think I did good. Then I'm going in with the Hard Candy, the Sky's the Limit blue lipstick, and this just represents more of that blue lightning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to comment, like, rate, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow